Mojo is here. GM, everyone. Guys, we just have about 30 hours left for this Fairlaunch. So I'm going to make it as detailed as possible in order for you not to make any mistake and for you to understand the opportunity that you are about to have. Now listen carefully. This is the Core Custodian wallet. Remember, Core blockchain is the first blockchain to solve the blockchain trilemma of security, decentralization, and scalability. Right now, it is arguably the fastest blockchain in the world. It uses the delegated proof of stake and, of course, the proof of work, which we call Satoshi cost plus consensus, combining proof of work and delegated proof of stake to, of course, to use as a consensus mechanism on its chain. It is super fast, super scalable, and of course, Bitcoin users can now delegate, Bitcoin miners can now delegate, Bitcoin owners can now stake, yes, on Core, and of course earn Core in rewards. Okay, but that's not the point. Today is not all about Core, it's about the Core Custodian wallet. Listen, the Core Custodian wallet is the first Core blockchain native wallet, and they have a utility token called the Ccdn. Okay, the Core Custodian. They're having a fair launch right now, and guess what? There is an airdrop or bonus attached to it. If you buy for up to 500 Core, which is just about maybe $450 or $460 or thereabout, you should be able to get a whooping 20% of that as an extra airdrop or bonus to what you buy. In fact, if you buy for 100 Core, you get a bonus. For 200, 300, 400, and 500 Core, you get a bonus, and it's just 30 hours left. Guys, that's not all. This wallet, remember, is EVM compatible. Being EVM compatible means that it can work just like your Trust wallet, just like your MetaMask, and that's not all. It solves a lot of problems that these wallets have inherently. Okay, and of course they are going to be deploying more chains to work on that wallet. I did a detailed thread about it on my Twitter handle, and I'm going to just roll you through. We're just going to glance through that thread to see what this wallet can do for you, and then not to talk about the utility you're going to be getting from this token, because it's a very tiny supply of just 50 million. In comparison, Trust Wallet, for example, has 999 million supply, almost a billion total supply, and of course the market cap is sitting at about $1,063,000,000 right now, and Trust Wallet is at around $1.06 right now. So if this gets to the market cap of Trust Wallet, you are seeing $20 per token thereabout. Okay, right now it is almost for free at the fair launch price. Okay, hold up, let's see the thread that I talked about. Okay, if you go to the Twitter there, you're gonna see the thread. It is pinned to my Twitter handle, and of course you can take a deep dive into it. Guys, take a look at this. Of course, the problem we have, of course, is digital asset security and of course management, how to use these assets from here to there, connecting to different dApps, and of course using the wallet properly. So the Core Custodian solves all this problem. Remember, they're already a registered company in 3 countries already. They're registered already with the CAC there in Nigeria. They are registered across the Philippines and other countries as well. And of course, more registrations are coming up. They want to make sure that they have regulations covered. Okay, so there is a lot that they are offering, guys, a lot that they are offering. This is the native Core blockchain wallet, so you can easily use them across the Core ecosystem and all other ecosystems. For example, if you're using the MetaMask wallet, sometimes you see that when you click on some parts of the site or something, it takes you out of the wallet to another site or your browser, which of course causes problems in terms of buying, integration, and stuff like that. But this solves most of those problems. Guys, look at the core chain integration in terms of high throughput, low latency. The Satoshi Plus, of course, a consensus mechanism. Smart contracts on core chain facilitate automated smart, asset management and transaction settlement. You talk about the scalability infrastructure. They are using a distributed storage solution, so the wallet will not go offline at any time. That is the main, of course. Data centers to ensure high availability and resilience against downtime or service interruption. Modular architecture, of course, and of course the cloud-based deployment. Don't forget the API integration, which I talked about, the fact that you can have the application programming interface there to help you connect seamlessly with external exchanges, trading platforms, liquidity providers, and what have you. Guys, that is not all. The wallet has, of course, the MFA authentication, of course, which is the multi-factor authentication, so it is protected by that. Okay, so only authorized personnel can initiate transactions, guys. That's not all. There are regular audits and penetration testing tests done to identify and address vulnerability issues. There are independent third-party audits and, of course, bug testing rewards for those who find out bugs in that wallet. The team is ready to, of course, support and, reward them. Guys, multiple blockchains are supported on that wallet, and more blockchains are still coming. There's going to be a Web3 domain name on that wallet, so you don't need actually to cram the wallet address. In case you have even viruses installed on your system, when you copy and paste addresses, you can just use like a .core, for example, just like we are using in the Ton network, like .ton. So you have the .core, so you can have maybe, let's say, Web3 maximum .core, and that will be serving as the address for your wallet. Okay, there's also the multi-sig feature where a lot of enterprises, companies, individuals, corporate bodies, and even families or friends can come together to use multi-sig so that they can make sure that before a transaction is carried out on a wallet, everyone knows about it and everyone has to sign. There are several others, like the fact that it's a self-custody wallet. Okay, there's going to be staking within the wallet, and a lot more about the interface, which is very, very user friendly. So there's a lot more to talk about. There's a global expansion, which is of course the plan to make sure that there are regulatory approvals across board in all countries where they're going to operate, and more. Of course, the blockchain interoperability is something, and of course the fact that there's enhanced platform features. Okay, so there's a lot to talk about there, but let's not just finish everything. Let's head over to how to buy the Fairlaunch. So this is how to buy the Fairlaunch. You should make sure that you have at least a minimum of 100 core. I'm just using 10. If you do a minimum of 100 core, you're going to get the bonus. So this is the proof for that bonus. As I told you, it is there right there. They posted it 8 hours ago on their verified trader handle. If you buy for 100 core, you're going to get 5%, 200 core 10%, 300 core 15%, 400 core 20%, 500 core 25 whooping percent, guys. 25, not even 20. I just put 20 on the poster of this video, but on the the graphic of this video, but of course it is 25%, even more. That is a quarter of whatever you spend. You will get it back as an airdrop in your wallet, guys. This is amazing. This was just posted 8 hours ago. You can see it clearly there. Okay, so this is how to buy in the Fairlaunch. Of course, you make sure that you're connected to the internet, and of course go to your Mrs. browser like we are doing here, and of course send your core to your MetaMask wallet in your Mrs. browser. And then once you do that, you see that your core has arrived in your wallet. Of course, just go to coredao.org to add the core network to your MetaMask on your Mrs. browser. You're just going to do this. Go to coredao.org. If you go to coredao.org, you're going to see the option to add this to your browser down at the bottom. Can you see down there, add core network? Can you see it, add core network here? Yes. So you're going to add this to your MetaMask, which is already installed in your Mrs. browser. Once you do that, core network is going to be added automatically. So the next thing you want to do, of course, is to go to the link to buy the Fairlaunch. I'm going to drop the link in the description section of this video. So I'm just going to paste the link here. I have that already in my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste that link, and of course hit the go button. So it's going to go to gempad.app directly to the pre-sale for this project. Okay, I'm just going to change this to the desktop side so that you can see that very, very clearly. Okay, yes, so you can see the project has described itself there. Transparency. There's of course a DEX aggregator added inbuilt to this wallet, which means, of course, it's going to be able to consolidate liquidity across the entire chain, powered by AI, to check the best prices to buy, whatever you buy using this wallet, guys. So this is amazing, guys. There's a lot more that we can talk about, but there is no time. You can see we just have, a day and 14 hours left. That's about, 24 plus 14, that is 34 plus 4, that's about 38 hours more and a few minutes. Okay, so how many do you want to buy? First of all, you need to connect your wallet. That is the most important thing. So connect your wallet first, of course, MetaMask. We're going to connect the MetaMask wallet to the site. Okay, click on next, confirm, and connecting, done. Okay, now the wallet is connected. You can see it at the top right corner there. It is connected. Okay, yes, you can see even the balance of the core is showing right there. Can you see? Yes, it is showing there. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in, zoom out. Okay, I'm zooming in right now to show you that, and of course I'm going to zoom out. The next thing to do, of course, is just to scroll down and input how many Ccdn, that is core custodial tokens, you want to buy. So if you want to buy with 100% of your balance, you just press on 100% there. Okay, but then we can just come here and type how many. We already know how many core we have. We have how many there? We have 11.079, right? You can see that 11.079. You can see that here, 11.079. So let us just try to buy for just 11. Okay, 11.079. That's to tell you how cheap the gas fees of core is. 11.079, we're going to buy for 11. Okay, so go there and of course click on buy, and then when you do that, just watch how it's going to pop up, and then you will see it's done very, very soon. Guys, this is so easy and of course super fast on this chain to do this. So easy and super fast. You're not going to find this anywhere else except of course on the core blockchain. It is super easy to buy here. So it's just depositing, and you can see that it has popped up now. Okay, so it is depositing right now. Of course, you might want to change back from desktop side to the mobile side when you're on my side. So when you click on that, just reject, for example, that you can see it again. So look at it, it's here right now. Okay, we just switched off the desktop side. This is on the desktop side, so we switch back of course to mobile side. So just remove that and it's going to come to the desktop side. Okay, when it does that, it's still connected, don't worry. You can look at the top right corner, it is connected there. You're just going to scroll down and come here to click. You can click maximum, but we have to keep something for the gas fee. So let's just buy for 11 core. Okay, click on buy. It's going to say depositing, and of course you need to just confirm that with your wallet. It is popping up by itself automatically. You can see the gas fees is so tiny, 11.0041 something. So just confirm that, and of course it is going to deposit. Just hold on depositing, and you see deposit is successful. It is as simple as ABCD. Nothing to worry about if you use the Mises browser. That's all, guys. So you can see my reservation is 11 core. My reserve token is 147,325. Guys, this is a no-brainer and too cheap at this price. If we make the mistake of missing this, we don't know when next we're going to see something like this pop up in the core blockchain. Okay, so that is done, and we're just going to wait and see what happens next. Make sure you are following the Twitter handle of the project. This is their Twitter handle, by the way. It is core custodian, as you can see, at core_custodian is their Twitter handle. They are verified on Twitter. They have 6,967 followers already on Twitter. You want to take a look at them, of course, follow them and ask questions. Go to their website, corecustodian.org, to see a lot more about what they're building. If you click on that site, you're going to see amazing things about what they are building, guys. This is massive. Okay, this is massive. This is their website. This is what it looks like. You can of course look at their white paper there at the top corner there to see more about the project, to do your own research as well, guys. This is amazing. What a CC wallet and everything there is covered. Of course, they have a TG group. This is their TG group. Let me show you their TG group so that you can, of course, go there if you want to, talk to them. So to get to their TG group, just go back to their Twitter. Of course, the TG group is right there, TG, which is t.me/core custodian. Click on that to take you straight to their TG group. This is the best way to go into TG groups of projects so that you don't make the mistake. Okay, this is the TG group here. So of course you might need to verify yourself, and of course you will get in. They have 7,270 members already, 840 online, of course. And then you can see that this is really amazing. They just made an announcement there. You can see that, of course. Let's like that. So you can, of course, try to DM anyone there if you have a problem, but I'm sure that with this video you're not going to have any problem at all as to how to buy this project, right? So we have just secured our bag here with this small amount, but of course it is going to grow in leaps and bounds. You can see the listing price is already in profit when they list at that price. Don't forget that Mojo is out.